Okay, we've got 3 oranges here. We've got Tesco value, we've got M&S, and we've got organic. Would you like to try the Tesco value one first? That's priced at 54 pence, and it's really, really cheap, so obviously it's the value price. Can you just kind of explain to me how you feel about the flavour?
It's kind of dry.
It tastes quite dry. Okay, and what about the size? Does the size affect anything?
Yeah, it doesn't look very appetising, and it certainly wasn't in my mouth.
Okay, alright, can we move on to Orange B, which is your M&S. It's, well, as you can tell, it's quite appealing. What do you think of the taste there? It's priced at £2 as well, so that
It's a lot better than the Tesco
Tastes a lot
value.
better.
Certainly.
Okay, and Orange C is organic, so obviously I'm sure you're well aware of organic, free from pesticides, etc. And that's priced at £1.40. And can you just once again just kind of explain to me what that tastes like?
Doesn't taste as good as the M&S one,
Okay.
but certainly better than the Tesco value.
Okay. And in general, what fruit would you tend to go for after trying all 3 of those out?
The M&S one.
The M&S one. Okay. What we're going to ask of you now is just to fill out the questionnaire, and don't pull out the flap as yet. And yeah, just fill out the simple questions, just sort of tasting your. One of you could just pull open the flap and just read out what it says.
Would you be shocked to find out that all these oranges were all purchased from Whitechapel Market?
How do you feel about that?
Shocked,
Is
definitely
it quite
shocked.
shocking? Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, what made you think that, well, apart from the signs and apart from me obviously telling you, in terms of taste, were they all consistent? Or did you feel that one of them was actually better than the other?
I actually thought the M&S one was a lot better than the other one.
Yeah.
I mean, was that purely due to taste, or did some of the signs, colours, the shapes?
The taste and the size, it looks a lot bigger than the other one.
And the
Okay.
price as well. I thought
And
the
price,
more expensive
yeah.
one would obviously be better.
So that kind of swayed you, I guess?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay. Alright, thank you for taking part in the experiment. Okay, so what we're going to experiment today with is the taste of oranges. We've got 3 different sets of oranges. Would you like to try set A? And just tell me how that tastes. And as well, in shape, how does that affect the perception of the orange?
It's a bit sour.
It's a bit sour, okay.
Tangy.
Tangy? Okay. And would you like to try Orange B? And once again, the same question, so in terms of taste, in terms of shape, in terms of size, did anything affect the flavour of the orange?
Tastes the same as the first one.
The same? Okay, and once again, same questions with Orange C. So, you know, shape, taste, colour, flavour, well, it's obviously all orange, but anything that would affect your perception.
I think those oranges are a bit bigger than your ones.
Okay, so
the same.
set A was, in terms of size, was larger.
Yeah.
Okay, and can I just ask a brief question? Which of the oranges, if any, tasted better?
I think the second one for me tasted better.
Okay.
Also, they look a bit brighter
Mm.
than the first one. A bit, like these two are quite similar, but in taste, I think the second one's
Okay.
actually better.
And what about the rest of you?
I think it tastes the same.
They taste the same?
Yeah, to me,
Okay, so there's nothing kind of distinct about them at all. So if you were just to kind of go into a supermarket, you think they've all come from one place in terms of price, in terms of quality, just all the same?
Yeah. They
Okay.
taste the same. It's just they look a bit different.
They just look a bit different. Okay, what I'm going to ask of you now is just to fill out these questionnaires. And once again, it's just kind of, just so we have what you've just said in writing. It's about your perception of oranges.